Our company is part of a holding company for the production of medicines in Ulanovsk. At our enterprise we have various equipment for the production of medicines, from a peltizer to an automatic line for self-adhesive labels. At the end of the year we modernized and started replacing the equipment that was morally and technically obsolete. I have been working as a chief engineer for 15 years, and I know all the technological processes in the company very well. I chose new equipment to replace the technically unsuitable one myself, coordinating it with the management before purchase. It was not an easy job. There was a lot of equipment on the market. Many processes had changed and become automated. I also planned to buy equipment for packing penicillin vials into plastic blisters and cardboard machine. Plastic blisters are packaging, made of plastic material with a cellular structure, designed to secure vials in a single plate. Penicillin glass vials are used for dispensing powders, granules and liquids. We use this type of containers in the production of microbiological preparations. I have chosen modern equipment, control by means of LCD screen, ease of operation as main criteria in choosing a machine. Our vials form a blister of 10 vials. Since I have already chosen a lot of different machines for our company, I have a great experience in the selection and contacts of some reliable manufacturers of equipment. I started contacting the manufacturers by phone and asking if they could produce the equipment for packaging in plastic blisters. First I contacted a company in Germany, which offered me automatic equipment for packaging ampoules into PVC blisters, but they specified that the entire process of delivery, customs clearance and installation of the equipment is not included in the price. The delivery could have been delayed and I declined. Then I contacted the company from Russia. She said that they do not make this type of machines, but if we can wait, they are willing to design and manufacture equipment for packaging penicillin vials into plastic blisters, but it will not be until next year. I was not prepared to wait that long, so I declined the offer. Since I could not find a manufacturer of the equipment for packaging penicillin vials into plastic blisters, I decided to take another way and consult with professionals who work in the field of pharmaceutical equipment supply and maybe suggest another option for the machine. I searched on the internet for an intermediary from Russia because I once had a bad experience delivering equipment from a Chinese intermediary when they brought us a line for packaging powder, but there were no documents for installation or technical passport. It took us a long time to set up the line. We consulted with the manufacturers on the phone, although they were reluctant to talk to us. I chose 3 machine suppliers on the internet. I looked at the firm's time in the pharmaceutical supply market, the company's website, and the machine's delivery terms as criteria. All of the companies I called to make sure of the professionalism of their managers. A specialist from one company said to wait for 5 minutes, but she never listened to me. I didn't like such attitude to the customer. The manager of another company from Kaliningrad talked to me politely, asked questions about the material and size of bottles, the desired production time. 5 days later I received 10 variants of machines from them, and an offer to make a choice on my own. I understood that they did not have a professional approach, and would not help me in my search for equipment. The last, third option of the middleman from Moscow turned out to be successful for me. The manager, a man, talked to me like a professional. He asked me specific questions about the desired capacity of the machine, the shape of pills to be packed in blister, told me about the terms of delivery. I told him that I was also looking for a cardboard machine, which is used for packing various products into cardboard boxes. In addition to the blister insertion, the cartoning machine should have the function of inserting paper instructions. During the consultation phase he suggested an automatic machine for packing penicillin vials into plastic blisters of 6 vials, followed by cellophane wrapping and packaging in cardboard boxes. The machine I was able to quickly coordinate with the management of the company. Within a week we concluded a contract for the supply of equipment. The manager sent a video that clearly demonstrates our equipment and its components. Blisters with cells for packaging penicillin vials were formed from PVC film. Plastic packaging tightly holds filled penicillin vials. The line is high-tech with a blister presence sensor. Waste PVC film is twisted on a roll. A special fixture holds paper sheets for instructions, blanks for cardboard boxes. After packaging, we get a blister of penicillin vials, packed in a cardboard box. A month after signing the contract, we received the equipment for packaging penicillin vials into plastic blisters. The manager provided us with the manufacturer's guarantee, equipment technical passport, drawings and operation manual. We installed the machine. The machine is made of quality stainless steel. The working area is covered with transparent plastic shields. We are satisfied with the equipment for packing of penicillin vials into plastic blisters. In the future, I plan to apply to the manager of this company to purchase analytical equipment, which should be purchased for the production of the drug in gelatin capsules. I am sure that he will choose me a high-quality equipment. Experience has shown that no matter how confident you are in your abilities, consulting a specialist will speed up the solution of the task at hand, and free up time, which can be spent to your advantage.